If you want to see a contact's profile picture on Telegram app on PC, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is useful when the profile photo looks too small in the chat list or when you want to open it properly and view the details more clearly. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Telegram tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your PC and go to the chat of the person whose profile picture you want to view. You can do this from the left-hand chat list by clicking their conversation. Once the chat opens, look at the top of the chat window where the contact's name is displayed. This is the main profile area for that person inside Telegram. Now click on the contact name at the top. This will open their profile details, including their username, bio, shared media, and profile photo. If you only tap or click around the chat area, nothing important will happen. So make sure you select the name at the top of the conversation. After the profile window opens, you'll see the contact's profile picture. To view it properly, click directly inside the profile picture. Telegram will open the photo in a larger view, making it much easier to see clearly. This is the step that lets you inspect the profile image instead of just seeing the small thumbnail. If the contact has multiple photos or has updated their profile picture before, you may be able to click through to see more, depending on their privacy settings. But in most cases, simply clicking the contact name and then clicking the profile picture is all you need to open it properly on Telegram for PC. And that's it. You now know how to see a contact's profile picture on Telegram app on PC. It's a very simple process once you know where to click, and it only takes a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful app guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.